cookies. Today I'm going to be showing you all my fidgets. I'm filming on my phone this time because, yeah. And when I was watching opening a slime, I thought it was really cringy and my voice was really weird. By the way, happy Easter for 3 days ago, I think. First we have infinity cubes. But I'm not infinity cubes. I'm not going to be doing fidgets. This is the only one I just want to do. I just want to do something new. And tomorrow I think I'm going to be playing Adopt Me. So that'll be good. Well, today I'm also going to be doing about 5 videos today. So I'm trying to upload as much as I can. So this is the first video for today. We have these. So my voice sounds a bit different. If it does. We have puppets. I do have one more puppet. It's a bear one. But I'll show you it now. I'll go get it. Just reach. But I got it. So that's the only puppet I have. And I am getting a rainbow puppet soon. So yeah. I'm not obsessed with fidgets. Don't think so. I'm not obsessed with fidgets. I just like to fidget with them. Because they're just fun. I love this one. It's so hard to do and it's really fun. And then lastly, my square puppet, my first ever puppet. I don't have much in here. Ooh. I have 5 marble meshes, but I bring some on my bed. This is the only marble mesh I can show you because other ones are on my bed. That's really cute. And then we have my own Uncle Bubble. Do I have a couple more fidgets? I might actually go get them of my bag. Simple dimple. I have 2, but I gave one to my friend Millie. And then I have a bunch of mochis, but I just got one yesterday. So this little octopus, my mum gave it to me just like this, and I actually haven't opened it yet, so you're lucky to see this. So, beautiful packaging. I might use this again. Oh, it's so soft. It's so soft! I just noticed. I know I'm mentioning, but look. What is that? What is it? It's broke. It's so squishy. Let's put it back in. I have way more fidgets to show you. And I have so much time on this. I have my brother's magnets because I don't have my own. That's really fake. I have way more mochis, but I can't bother to show you them. I'm gonna put them in there. I have a squishy, a Harry Potter squishy. We have some bracelets. So, yeah. And then I also got this, what's it called? I keep on forgetting what this is called. Comment down below if you know what this is. Wait, no, it's a puzzle ball, sorry. It's a puzzle ball. I do have other squishies. I do have this. It's just this little Christmas thing that I had last year. I love the sound of that. And by the way, go follow my account, my 2 TikTok accounts. It would really help my TikTok and my dream of being famous. So yeah, hopefully I can be famous one day. I have my only tangle in my whole house. I do have a fidget pad, but it's up on my bed, and I'm gonna have to go get it soon. All my Bucky Jacks. I have baby monkey noodles. A bunch. I have monkey noodles, but they're good. We have twisty pets. We have a memory base. kind of rushing this so I can actually go to my bed and get my better fidgets. We have this really cool skateboard one set. Come with me. I'll show you the rest of my fidgets and my thing. I just have to shoot something. Oh, why am I being so weird? One sec. I can't actually show you it, but I'll try to show you. What is it? So I'm trying to. Oh my gosh, I didn't do it. Yeah, you saw it a bit. Room tour is going to be soon. That's a clue what video is going to be my third video today. That's going to be my third video today. Well, maybe that's going to be my last video today. Fourth video is honestly the second after this. Honestly, has to be do my makeup because I don't know. I know I don't want to do my makeup today. I haven't thought about what I'm gonna do. Okay, let's get back to showing my fidgets. It's a whole nother topic. Sorry about that if you heard that. It was just my little sister. That's why I said it's another topic. I meant to say I'm going on about another topic or another thing. Why am I gonna post this again? Because I'm weird. We have this Monkey Noodle Loom band. Ooh. That's it for right now, so I'm just getting really embarrassed that I've actually said topic, and I honestly don't know what topic means. Let's go. I'm trying not to show you my room. I have this giant thing, but it's broke. My gosh, my blanket's in the way of so much of my fidgets. We have this. Just my Orbeez one broke. Don't know what it's called. A Snappers. My carrot. I'm trying to get on my bed, right little stuff. A ginormous squishy now. Showing you too much of my room. Go on my undercover bed. I don't know how I'm gonna post this. I don't even edit my videos. I don't have a computer. You know what? Next video is honestly gonna be Adopt Me because I love Roblox and Adopt Me. And thank you for 4 subscribers. I'm really happy about that. And I'm gonna be doing a giveaway soon. So yeah, that's really fun. I got more fidgets. I have more of my marble meshes. I have 2 peepovers. One of them are down there. I forgot to show you. Another marble mesh. Oh my, it's so squeezed in here. A bike chain. Where's the thing? Oh my gosh, my sister's here again. Sorry about that. Was my sister again. Well, I don't know why she comes in my room. Honestly. Back to trying to find fidgets. I've already lost one, and I don't lose it again. I do have this, but it's not a fidget. I do have, oh my gosh, where's my phone? I do have this, but it's not really a fidget. So I'm gonna actually get off this bed. My long lost fidget bed. My fidget bed. Finally I found it. Here it is. Oh, you can see it better out here. I'm trying to get out. Oh my gosh, what's this thing on my screen? Don't know what it is. One sec, I'll try to get it away. There, that's what it is away now. So if you saw that, I'm sorry. I don't watch my videos before I post them. So I'm just saying, sorry if I was a bit rude with my sister. It's just, she knows I'm going to be rude because I'm trying to film TikTok. And here it is. It's my brother's, I think. So do you turn it? Deal. Let's put them in my... How am I supposed to get down? I don't know. One sec. Gonna be... Oh no, I don't want to break it. Just gonna fly my fidget back down there. See, it's on my hands. Look. I'm trying to hold the phone. You alright, guys? Guys, you alright? Sorry, it was black. I threw my phone. I tried to get down. Also, today I'm also going to be unboxing. Well, not, I'm done with the fidget thing. I'm gonna be unboxing this. I'm gonna be unboxing, sorry. Oh my gee. I'm gonna be unboxing this. It's really fun. And I'm going to be unboxing one thing today, and that is this. Oh my gosh. I did just get this from my nan, and I wanted to open it, and I made to open it, but my mum didn't really want me to open it right now, so TikTok. But I'm not, she didn't force, you know what, she didn't force me to say to open it. She just said, do you want to open it? She didn't say anything. I just left it. Trying my best. Yes, I found this. Oh my gosh, I'm in. It feels so nice. There's beads on it. I don't know what they're called. So cool. Oh, you can't change the thing though. Even if I try, it won't. But I love the colour purple. Thank you for watching. Bye, my cookies. I just noticed when I chucked the phone down on my bed, I said guys. The reason I'm calling you cookies is because, guys, I feel like it sounds like I'm talking about a boy. And just in my opinion, I want to call you something. So it's cookies. Do you know what I mean? Tattoo. Just buy my cookies. See you in my Adopt Me video / in a couple of minutes.